Great, you're now ready to insert your SIM card. Before we start, to get the full benefits of your Spacetalk Loop, you will need to have an active physical SIM. Are you ready? Turn your Spacetalk Loop to the side where the pinhole is located. Gently insert something small, like a pin, into the pinhole, and carefully pry open the SIM tray. Now insert your SIM card into the SIM tray. Make sure the gold contact is facing up and the cut corner aligns. You can press the SIM tray back into the watch. Lastly, double check that the SIM cover is flush with the side of the watch. Well done! You've just inserted your SIM, and you are now ready to start pairing your watch. Next, you should check out the How to Pair video. This shows how to connect the Spacetalk watch to your app. For more help, visit spacetalk.co/support.